Hello and welcome back to Medical. Thank you for connecting with me again. Today we are going to discuss. Welcome back, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss you the so skin among the world, around the world. This is one of the Paris made in Paris. The so skin Cicaplex reviews. The uses and overview I am going to discuss with you. What is the main uses and overview of this so skin means? It contains an enormous number of ingredients that may help you mainly in the problems of like that ingredients or acetyl hydroxyproline or hyaluronic acid delivers the hydration and nutrition required for cell cohesion, and it contains the glycolic acid, deeply cleanses with epidermis and epidermis and protect from the bacterial proliferation, friends. And oat extracts also soothes and reduces and feelings discomfort and overeating also can reduce by using this. And it also contains the dextran sulfate and horse chestnut, contains the different ingredients whatever it may makes you the beautiful skin, friends. It also gives them get clearer whitening and brightening skin. And also those who are suffering from the hyperpigmentations, blemishes on their face, but by using this so skin you will get the best result, friends. Within some days you will get the best result, friends, because this is the best brand around the world. This is a so skin made in Paris, and it also made with rich antioxidants, makes you forever healthy skin, friends. At last until your end of the life, till that you will get the best results and healthy skin, because healthy skin is a major help in the whatever the ingredients are available, friends. Now we discuss what are the ingredients are methicone, dimethicone and isohexadecane and xylitol and rosa cania fruit and dextran, glycerin, ethanol and lauryl and ethyl alcohol, lavina sativa and sodium hyaluronate and hydroxypropylene, arginine and butyrisparkin and shea butter. It contains enormous number of natural ingredients, friends. So we also recommend this because it contains a number of ingredients are natural, and also you will get the best results because it contains a number of natural ingredients, friends. Within some days you will get the best results. Those who are suffering the acne, pimples also can easily remove by using this. Now we discuss how to take direction to use and how to apply. You should apply twice a day on the affected area. Either you are affected by the hyperpigmentation or you are suffered from the dry skin, and we should apply on the dry skin, friends. We should not use water, friends. Continue application until the skin has completely recovered, friends. With and all, friends, thank you for watching my channel. Keep supporting us. Your help is a major support for us to improve our channel, and please subscribe and click the all notifications bell icon for day-to-day updates. I will come back with another video, friends. Till that, keep supporting us, friends. Thank you, friends. You have any doubt in this so skin products, if you having any doubts, just comment it. I will